Hi everyone, I'm Shauna, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Scentsy and home fragrance content. And if you're one of my returning subscribers, hello, welcome back. I love you guys. So in this video, I would like to do my flash sale haul, which took forever to come in. Scentsy got really overwhelmed with all of the orders. This flash sale was just absolutely incredible. Wax, warmers, laundry, body care. I mean, it was amazing. So I did get quite a bit of things. Actually, let me just, some of them. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Duchess by Day. That is where I post the latest Scentsy news. So let's just jump in here. So let's start off with warmers. So I picked up another Fabulous Feathers warmer. Oh my gosh, I love this warmer. I already have one, but I think this one was on sale for $20, and I was just like, oh my gosh, I have to get it. Absolutely love this. I think it's just absolutely beautiful. I love pink and I love gold, so how can you go wrong, right? Just wonderful, incredible price. This warmer was normally $55, I think, and it looks really beautiful turned on too. I don't even know why it's being discontinued. I'm surprised that it wasn't a bigger seller. And then I actually got another Marvel Thor's Hammer. Oh, I love this warmer, you guys. It is so, and it is for me. I do not have children, and I'm a geek. I love comic books and things like that, but this warmer is so unique and so beautiful. I will try to insert a picture of it because you actually have to build this warmer, but it looks really cool. It has like the blue, like turquoise lightning bolts, and it's inscribed with whosoever holds this hammer, if they be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor. It's just really cool looking, and I actually had some customers that ordered this one as well, so. And then I ordered another one. So I'm a geek. I'm a dork. I love stuff like that. Scentsy's warmers are just so unique, and that warmer actually does really well. I have it in my den, and it does really well with scenting up the room. So let's talk about wax, because I got a lot of wax. Oh, wait, first, let me tell you about the washer whips. I did pick up some Fiji flower. I'm not sure if this one, I've placed so many orders, but this was in the clearance section. Oh, it smells so nice. This was part of the summer collection last year? I think it was last year. Oh, and the summer collection is coming out, guys. Follow me on Instagram. I posted lots of pics for that. But this is so pretty. And I actually got another one that I have been using. I got that prior to the flash sale, and it's really strong and really pretty. Very floral. It does a really good job of scenting my laundry, and I absolutely love it. Then I picked up this, it's Disney Pixar Up, Adventure is Out There bars, and I don't know why I didn't put this one in my club. I actually got 4 bars of this. I love this one. It's very clean. It's like, it smells kind of like, it's almost like a cleaner, like a counter cleaner, but it has a lot of melon in it. And it's surprising that I like this one so much, because typically I don't enjoy melon scents that much unless it's like an artificial watermelon. Oh, but this one is so pretty, and I think I remember this one being a decent performer too. Very clean. So yeah, I picked up 4 bars of that. Love that. And then I picked up a bar of Coastal Strawberry. I really wanted to try this. I had like 5 bars in my cart, but then they said that all of those bars weren't available. So I decreased it down to 1 bar and my order went through. So, but I really want to try this. I've heard a lot of good things about this one. It's a soft pink wax, but this one is like jasmine and strawberry. There was something else, but I want to say strawberry seed or something with a seed. But on cold, it smells a little odd. You get the jasmine, but there's also, and the strawberry, but there's like an earthiness to this. So it smells a little odd on cold, but I'm excited to warm this. So that is Coastal Strawberry. And then I got, where shall I start? Oh, I got another bar of Up. I guess I got 5 bars of that. And one of my all-time favorite scents, and it is in my club, but when I saw this in the clearance, I could not resist. Rainbows and Butterflies, and I got 5 bars. You guys, Scentsy, why have you discontinued this? It is just everything girly and sweet. It's strawberries and pineapple and vanilla, but it smells very perfumey. It's feminine, it's girly, it's bright, it's happy. If I'm a little down that day, I warm this. You can't stay down when you warm Rainbows and Butterflies. It's so pretty, and it's in my club, and it will stay in my club forever. Oh, but it smells so wonderful. I love this. I wish that they would add it to the catalog so I can get as much of it as I want. And then I picked up, I know I got a lot of this one. Okay. Sugar. Yeah. I did pretty well with wax, I think. I tried to stay within 5 for most things. But Sugar. Love this. It's a pink wax. I got 5 bars of Sugar. It is in my club. And it will stay there. But this one's wonderful. It's like a cotton candy perfume. It smells like Aqualina Pink Sugar perfume, which I wear too. I like to smell like my home fragrance. Do you guys do that? Let me know. But, oh, it's like cotton candy and lemon drops and sugary sweetness. Absolutely wonderful. Sugar. And what did I get? This one. Okay. Another favorite. I did really well. I only got 3 bars of this one. And this one is Strawberry Swirl. One of my favorites. One of my absolute favorites. This smells like a strawberry milkshake. It's wonderful. Like, you actually get like that dairy note. It smells like a strawberry milkshake. It's wonderful. And I love this. And it is in my club. I know. It's these bars are in my club, and I like bought more bars, but I just could not resist because they were like, what, $3 and change or something when they're normally $6. So yeah. And then Pink Haze, another girly favorite. Oh, love this. I got 3 bars of Pink Haze. I think the packaging is so cute on that. It looks like little pink clouds. But this one, it's another like girly cotton candy scent, but it's very vanilla forward. Oh, it's wonderful. I love Pink Haze. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. It's wonderful. Will stay in my club forever. Makes me happy. And then I got 3 bars of Shimmer. You guys have heard me talk about all of these, I'm sure. Absolutely adore Shimmer. I wish that it would come back. I think they had the body care. It was available in body care, but they had a lot of the body care products in clearance, which means that Shimmer may be done. For usually when things appear in clearance, they're trying to get rid of it. But this one is cherries, apricot, vanilla, and spun sugar. But it reads just as a really, really gentle, feminine perfume. Like a cherry, not like a cough syrup cherry, but a very soft cherry, sweet perfume. It's very hard to describe. You have to smell this. Because, like, when I smell this, I don't think cherries. I just think a wonderful perfume. It's beautiful. And that is Shimmer. And who doesn't want a Shimmer, right? And then, now this one, I did go a little bit crazy. Lavender and White Balsam. You guys, I took this one out of my club, and I really, really regret it. So, when I saw this appear, I got... how many bars did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bars. 10 bars of lavender and white balsam. I'm gonna put those back in the box. But I love you guys. Why did I take this out of my club? It is so pretty. It's like a perfumey lavender. It's lavender, amber, and white balsam. But I can't warm this in my bedroom. It did not do well in my bedroom at all. But I put a full bar in my master bath, and it lingered for days, and it was beautiful. Oh my gosh. So it's lavender, and the amber makes it very perfumey, and you get that white balsam. So it's just really fresh and wonderful. So yeah, what did I say? I got 10 bars because I wish this one was in my club. I don't know why I took it out, but I have 10 bars, so that should last me. And I think that's it. Yep. That's it for my flash sale haul. You guys, let me know what you picked up. So glad that you hung out with me. If you made it this long, please remember to like and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Duchess by Day. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.